Hello and welcome to Chemistry with Emmy. And today we'll be talking about matter changes. There are two types of matter changes: chemical changes and physical changes. Let's dive right in. A physical change changes the form or state and is reversible. Just like if we take ice and we add heat to it and melt it into water, liquid water, and then we can freeze this liquid water and turn it back into ice. Throughout the process, the water remains constant, but the states change. There are also two mixtures that matter can become. Creating a mixture is a physical change because you can reverse the mixture and separate out the parts. The two types of mixtures are homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are even throughout, and there's an equal distribution throughout the mixture. You also can't see the individual components in the mixture. Just like if I mixed sugar in some water and I completely dissolved the sugar, you can't see the individual components of sugar, and there's an equal distribution of sugar throughout the water. You can remember homogeneous mixtures using the prefix homo, meaning same. In heterogeneous mixtures, the components are not even throughout, and you can see individual components and layers. For example, if I take sand and mix it into water, you can see the individual components and you can see the layer of sand on the bottom of the beaker. Both of these mixtures are reversible and we can separate them back into their original components. For example, we can take the heterogeneous mixture and filter it out. Now we have the sand and the water separated. Similarly, we can take the homogeneous mixture and evaporate all the water, leaving only the sugar. Let's take a look at physical changes microscopically. When this solid becomes a liquid, we know it is a physical change because the particles remain the same. When this heterogeneous mixture becomes this homogeneous mixture, the particles also remain the same. Now that we've explored physical changes, let's explore chemical changes. In a chemical change, a new substance forms. Some evidence of a chemical change are a new odor, heat is released, a surprising color change, the substance gains new properties, a gas is released, or a solid forms. Here are some chemical reactions due to chemical changes. In this elephant toothpaste experiment, there is a chemical reaction occurring because there is a gas that is released causing bubbles and heat is being released. In this Mentos and Coke experiment, gases are being released, creating a geyser. Let's take a look at chemical changes microscopically. When this homogeneous mixture becomes these compounds, we know it is a chemical change because the particles do not remain the same. They instead form a compound. A compound is made up of two or more bonded particles, and a compound is a new substance. In a chemical change, the identity changes, and it is irreversible. Irreversible, in conclusion, physical changes are reversible, and components stay the same. In chemical changes, there is a new substance, and it is irreversible. Thank you for watching. What have I done?